Hi everyone, I'm Christina, Chief Creative Officer at Squirrly. And today we're going to take a look at how to connect a TikTok account. So let's go inside Squirrly Social. Right now we are in the post calendar feature. In order to connect a TikTok account, we have to go over here to manage social profiles. Then we have to click over here at the social media profiles and choose TikTok from this drop down. Then we are redirected to a TikTok page. We can see over here, Squirrly Social wants to access your TikTok account. We can see our TikTok account over here. In case it's not the account that you want to connect with Squirrly Social, you can click over here to switch account. Then we can see what Squirrly Social would like to access. And we have those toggles over here. If this is the right account that you want to connect with Squirrly Social, all that is left to do is click over here to continue. And then we have received a successful message over here. TikTok was successfully added as a social media profile. And we can see it over here. We can see the profile image, the name of the account. By clicking on the name, we are taken to the profile, to the account. Then we can see our handle. We can see the profile type, who added the profile. We have the option to reconnect this profile, and we have the option to delete this profile. So it's that simple to connect a TikTok account with Squirrly Social. Until next time.